Chairman Neal, Ranking Member Brady, members of the committee, thank you for the invitation to testify today during Small Business Week about the benefits of paid family and medical leave. My name is Tony Sandkamp, and I'm the owner of Sandkamp Woodworks, an architectural woodworking business in Jersey City, New Jersey. My 4 full-time employees and I provide custom work to high-end clients from Boston to New York City to here in Washington, D.C. I've been running my business since 1991, and I'm a member of the Main Street Alliance, a national network of more than 30,000 small business owners. I'm a proud supporter of the New Jersey Family Leave and Temporary Disability Insurance programs. The protections my business and employees count on should be available nationwide, yet in most states, lawmakers have failed to adopt paid family and medical leave, harming the country's 30 million small businesses, our 59 million employees, and our communities. Small firms generally don't have the capital and scale to provide paid leave. The lack of a national paid leave program hands the advantage to large corporations that can use their size and market power to offer such benefits, resulting in a hiring disadvantage for small business. We can change this picture. My company provides a before and after snapshot that shows how. Before New Jersey adopted paid family leave, I had an employee who left his job because of family needs. He didn't tell me why he was leaving, but I later found out his mother was dying of cancer in Florida. He was too proud to ask me for help, and my business couldn't have covered his salary even if he had. Much of the pain and damage that could have been avoided if family leave insurance had been there at the time. My employee would have been able to take paid leave without feeling like he was asking me for a personal favor, and my business would have been able to retain a valuable employee. But we didn't have paid leave yet, and my business paid the price. This employee had been the best on my team for many years. The cost in time and money to replace him were astronomical. I had to take time away from my responsibilities as an owner, and my business suffered. Replacing employees is expensive, with turnover costs averaging 1/5 of an employee's annual salary. And now for the after picture. 4 years ago, an employee came to me and told me that his wife was having twins. He needed paid time off, and I'd recently joined the Main Street Alliance, where I learned about the family leave insurance program. The paperwork was straightforward. The employee and I filled it out together, and he got the wage replacement, and he bonded with his twins. He's a very important part of my business, and taking time with his family was extremely important to him. We made a plan for his time off. We moved a part-time employee to full-time, giving that employee the opportunity to acquire new skills. And as it turned out, the business needed the extra help, and we kept him on full-time when the father of the twins came back. From a business perspective, well-structured, comprehensive leave programs like New Jersey's make leave simple and affordable. They spread costs without creating significant new administrative requirements. When an employee needs time off, they draw income from a fund to get by until they return. Business owners can use the salary of on-leave employees as they see fit. Most importantly, workers with paid leave are more likely to return to their jobs. New Jersey's program wasn't perfect out of the gate. This year, we updated the definition of family to make it more representative of actual families. Now, for example, a person can take paid leave to care for a sibling. And I know how important that is, because one of my sisters, who wasn't working at the time, cared for another one of my sisters for 4 months until she passed away from stomach cancer. We also expanded job protection and increased wage replacement so more workers can afford to use the benefit. All these changes are business friendly. We need a policy that reflects the reality for people who make small businesses run. Humans have fragile bodies, and none of us is Superman or immune to illness or injury. We need a safety net that includes paid family and medical leave, paid sick days, and other supports that recognize that working people have families, dignity, and human bodies with limitations. Supporters of paid leave are often asked whether the cost would harm small business. It's the cost of not having these policies that hurts. I can't have people distracted or sick when they're working. They make mistakes that delay or ruin projects. More importantly, for safety, I need everyone operating at 100%. We need Congress to act. We need to recognize that this problem can be solved only through good public policy and a well-crafted national social insurance program. We are eager to contribute to such a program and make it a success. Thank you for the opportunity to speak today. I look forward to your questions.
Thank you, Mr.